Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. Today we'll learn how to solve problems on the topic average speed. Since questions based on this topic are frequently asked in competitive exams, it makes sense to understand the concept well. These questions are the ones where marks can be scored easily if practiced well. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. There are a few formulae which will help in easy solving of problems on average speed. So please memorize and remember these formulae. The first formula is if a certain distance is covered at a speed of x kilometers per hour and the same distance is covered at a speed of y kilometers per hour, then average speed during the whole journey can be determined using the formula average speed is equal to 2xy divided by x plus y. You have to note here that the distance covered is the same and two speeds are given. So if the distance covered is the same and two speeds are given, then average speed is equal to 2xy divided by x plus y, where x and y are the two speeds. The second formula. If a certain distance is covered at a speed of x kilometers per hour and the same distance is covered at a speed of y kilometers per hour and then the same distance is covered at a speed of z kilometers per hour, then the average speed during the whole journey can be determined using the formula average speed is equal to 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx. Here you have to note that the distance covered is the same, but three speeds are given. So if the distance covered is the same and three speeds are given, then average speed is equal to 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx, where x, y and z are the three speeds. Third formula. If A kilometers is covered at a speed of x kilometers per hour, B kilometers is covered at a speed of y kilometers per hour, and C kilometers is covered at a speed of z kilometers per hour, then average speed during the whole journey can be determined using the formula average speed is equal to A plus B plus C divided by A by x plus B by y plus C by z. Now here you have to notice that the distances covered is different. So if the distance covered is different and different speeds are given, then average speed is equal to A plus B plus C divided by A by x plus B by y plus C by z, where A, B and C are the distances and x, y and z are the respective speeds. Fourth formula. If only speed and time are given, then first find the total distance covered by using the formula distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Then find the total time taken to cover the distance by adding the times given. Then average speed during the whole journey can be determined using the formula average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Fifth formula. If average speed with stoppage is x kilometers per hour and average speed without stoppage is y kilometers per hour, then the stoppage time per hour can be determined using the formula stoppage time per hour is equal to change in speed divided by faster speed, which is nothing but y minus x divided by y. A person covers a distance of 60 kilometers from P to Q at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour and returns from Q to P at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed of the person. Now here it's given that the person travels from P to Q and then returns from Q to P. So the distance covered is the same. And also only two speeds are given here. So when the distance covered is the same and two speeds are given, then average speed can be found out using the formula. Average speed is equal to 2xy divided by x plus y, where x and y are the two speeds. Now it's given that x is equal to 20 kilometers per hour and y is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. So average speed is equal to 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 30 divided by 20 plus 30. This is 1200 divided by 50, which gives us 24 kilometers per hour. So the average speed of the person is 24 kilometers per hour. A person travels from P to Q at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour and returns by increasing his speed 50%. What is his average speed for both the trips? So now it's given that the speed of a person from P to Q is 40 kilometers per hour. It's given that he returns by increasing his speed by 50%. So speed of the person from Q to P is equal to 150 divided by 100 multiplied by 40, which is 60 kilometers per hour. So the person's speed from P to Q is 40 kilometers per hour and his speed from Q to P is 60 kilometers per hour. Now, since the distance traveled is the same, the average speed is equal to 2xy divided by x plus y, where x and y are the two speeds. So the average speed is equal to 2 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 60 divided by 40 plus 60, which is nothing but 4800 divided by 100, which gives us 48 kilometers per hour. So the person's average speed for both the trips is 48 kilometers per hour. A train covers a distance of 160 kilometers at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour, another 160 kilometers at a speed of 140 kilometers per hour, and the last 160 kilometers at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Find the approximate average speed of the train for the entire journey. Now here is given that the train covers a distance of 160 kilometers and then another 160 kilometers and then finally another 160 kilometers. So the distance covered is the same. Also, three speeds are given here in this problem. So when the distance covered is the same and three speeds are given, then average speed can be found out using the formula. Average speed is equal to 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx, where x, y and z are the three speeds. Now it's given that x is equal to 120 kilometers per hour, y is equal to 140 kilometers per hour, and z equals 80 kilometers per hour. Now substituting these values in the formula, we get average speed is equal to 3 multiplied by 120 multiplied by 140 multiplied by 80 divided by 120 multiplied by 140 plus 140 multiplied by 80 plus 80 multiplied by 120. When you solve this, you will get 107 kilometers per hour. So the average speed of the train for the entire journey is 107 kilometers per hour. A person covers 9 kilometers at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour, 25 kilometers at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, and 30 kilometers at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Find the approximate average speed for the entire journey. Now here you can see that the person covers 9 kilometers, then 25 kilometers, and then 30 kilometers. So the distance covered is different. So when the distance covered is different, you can find the average speed using the formula. Average speed is equal to a plus b plus c divided by a by x plus b by y plus c by z, where a, b and c are the distances covered at speeds of x, y and z respectively. So now in this problem it's given that A is equal to 9 kilometers, B is equal to 25 kilometers and C is equal to 30 kilometers, and X is equal to 3 kilometers per hour, Y is equal to 5 kilometers per hour and Z is equal to 10 kilometers per hour. Now substituting these values in the formula for average speed, will get average speed is equal to 9 plus 25 plus 30 divided by 9 by 3 plus 25 by 5 plus 30 by 10. Now 9 plus 25 plus 30 is 64 and 9 by 3 is 3, 25 by 5 is 5 and 30 by 10 is 3. So we have 3 plus 5 plus 3. So we get 64 divided by 11, which is approximately 6 kilometers per hour. So the approximate average speed for the entire journey is 6 kilometers per hour. John drove for 3 hours at a rate of 50 kilometers per hour and for 2 hours at 60 kilometers per hour. What was his average speed for the whole journey? Now here in this problem, only speed and time are given and we are asked to find the average speed for the whole journey. So when only speed and time are given, then average speed can be calculated using the formula. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. So if we know the total distance and the total time, then the average speed can be easily calculated. Now it's given that John drove for 3 hours at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour and then he drove for 2 hours at 60 kilometers per hour. We know that uh, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So total distance is equal to 50 multiplied by 3 plus 60 multiplied by 2, which is 270 kilometers. So total distance is 270 kilometers. Now total time taken by John is 3 plus 2, which is 5 hours. So total distance is 270 kilometers and total time is 5 hours. So average speed is equal to 270 divided by 5, which is 54. So the average speed for the whole journey is 54 kilometers per hour. A person driving to the store travels 200 meters in 300 seconds. Then he goes to another store traveling an extra 400 meters in 500 seconds. What is his average speed? Now in this problem, distance and time are given. We are we have to find the average speed. So when distance and time are given, then average speed can be calculated using the formula. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. So if we know the total distance and the total time, then average speed can be easily calculated. Now it's given that the person drives for 200 meters in 300 seconds and 400 meters in 500 seconds. So total distance is 200 plus 400, which is 600 meters. And total time is 300 plus 500, which is 800 seconds. So total distance is 600 meters and total time is 800 seconds. So average speed is 600 divided by 800, which is 0.75 meters per second. So the average speed of the person is 0.75 meters per second. An express train runs at an average speed of 27 kilometers per hour, including the time of stoppage at stations. Another train runs at an average speed of 41 kilometers per hour, excluding the stoppage time at stations. What is the stoppage time per hour? Now it's given that the average speed with stoppage is 27 kilometers per hour and average speed without stoppage is 41 kilometers per hour. Now we are asked to find the stoppage time per hour. So to find the stoppage time per hour, use the formula stoppage time per hour is equal to change in speed divided by fastest speed. Now we know that the fastest speed is 41 kilometers per hour. So stoppage time per hour is equal to 41 minus 27 divided by 41, which is nothing but 14 divided by 41 hours, that is 0.342 hours. So the stoppage time per hour of the train is 0.342 hours. Without any stoppage, a person travels a certain distance at an average speed of 42 kilometers per hour. And with stoppages, he covers the same distance at an average speed of 28 kilometers per hour. How many minutes per hour does he stop? Now it's given that the average speed without stoppage is 42 kilometers per hour and average speed with stoppage is 28 kilometers per hour. Now we are asked to find how many minutes per hour does he stop. So to find the stoppage time per hour, use the formula stoppage time per hour is equal to change in speed divided by fastest speed. Now we know that the fastest speed here is 42 kilometers per hour. So uh, change in speed is 42 minus 28 and fastest speed is 42. So stoppage time per hour is 42 minus 28 divided by 42, which is 1/3 of an hour. Now we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 1/3 hour is 1 by 3 multiplied by 60, which is 20 minutes. So the person stops for 20 minutes every hour. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Practice more problems on this topic to understand the concept thoroughly, as well as to increase your speed. Please do watch our video on the topic Solved Problems on Average, Cricket Scores and Innings. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.